Vargas, National Referee. May we call on the starting lineup for Emilio Aguinaldo College. Jersey number 3, Hariel Doguna. Jersey number 4, Kirth Meliza. Jersey number 5, Mark Glennon Arias. Jersey number 6, guest player April John Pagtalunan. Jersey number 7, Howard Mojica. Jersey number 9, team captain Israel Encina. Their libero, jersey number 10, Juvimark Mangaring. And their head coach, Rodrigo Palmero. And now the starting lineup for the University of the East with jersey number 2, Ronier Adviento. Jersey number 3, Samuel Lelik. Jersey number 8, Noel Angelo Alba. Jersey number 9, Vincent Magdaong. Jersey number 11, team captain Edward Camposano. Jersey number 14, Ruvins Abrot. Their libero, jersey number 10, Lester Kim Sawal. Head coach, Ruel Pascual. Good luck to both teams.
Dito mo naman dito sa UE, no? Edward Camposano, second year pa lamang yan, captain na siya.
Diba? And I heard that he was like the MVP during his high school days.
High school
diba?
days. Ito, 3 straight years MVP. Si Edward Camposano, and also a member of the national team nga na pinadala natin sa Southeast Asian Games. So, number 11 po yan para dito sa kupunan ng University of the East. And again, they are parading a total of what? 5 rookies dito sa kupunan ng UE. At alam naman natin sa kupunan ng AYAC, they are the defending champions. So let's see what the UE with this very young lineup can do against the powerhouse Emilio Aguinaldo College squad na yun na nga, may import pa silang kinuhang setter in the veteran John Pagtalunan out of Adamson if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, out of Adamson siya. Tapos, he was really playing from one team to the other. So he's really one person or one player na talagang hinahanap ng bawat team to give them a good combination play.
Well, ito kayo, we are underway on the serve of Camposano. Para sa AYAC, nagpakilala agad si Howard Mojica, pero good defense there by UE. Here's Alba airborne and the first point of the game para sa Warriors with Noel Alba scoring. Grabe energy nila, no?
Oo, UAAP NCAA matchup ito.
Yes.
So, expect the best game today.
Camposano now back to serve. Nga ikwento nga rito, no? It's recruited by everybody. Etong si Edward Camposano but chose to stay with his alma mater from high school. Mojica finds the line and that will be a point para dito sa kupunan ng AYAC. So magiging labanan dito, Camposano versus Mojica, paramihan ng puntos yan.
Paramihan ng puntos. Actually, kumbaga ito yung sabi natin, yung breaks nila, kailangan makita kung paano nila ilaro ang bola.
John Pagtalunan ngayon on the serve. And they set up ngayon itong si Adviento rather. And Camposano will miss from the back. So 2-1 ngayon para sa Generals.
Medyo na ilang ng konti doon yung libero ni UE, no?
Ito yung bago nilang libero.
Oo.
Mas alam naman natin sa UE, pag sinabong libero, Carlo Almario kaagad ang unang pumapasok.
Si Mikey Mout.
Oo.
I miss him.
Pagtalunan setting up itong si Arias very well. So Mark Arias scoring para sa Emilio Aguinaldo College. And that is an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Volterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
Both teams are really showing their skills.
Right.
Specialties in this game.
Well, Pagtalunan into the net. So itong kupunan ng AYAC, another bit of trivia on them. Nanalo nga sila ng NCAA Championship. Hindi nyo po nalalaman, 5 taon pa lamang po sila sa NCAA.
Ganda eh.
And they won the championship immediately. And again, it's so hard to beat Perpetual.
Toyo.
As Mojica scores again.
From the time LaSalle and Ateneo left the NCAA, it was already the Perpetual Health.
Yan talaga.
Dalta has been been leading the championships in volleyball all throughout.
San Beda pa dyan na
Yes.
nasingit, pero
Oo.
alam naman natin, Perpetual recently has been the powerhouse. And salamat sa PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Good defense there, played at the net by Ayak. And more good defense from Ayak. Camposano saving that one. Off the block, hindi may tawid ni Alba. And ito si Coach Ruel Pascual, sinasabi ka, ito siya, mag-relax ka.
This is the game that we are really waiting for. Talagang high energy, high
Yes.
level to mga players. Nobody wants to lose this match.
Mark Arias will now serve para si Emilio Aguinaldo College, of course, coached by Rodrigo Palmero. They go to Adviento. Set up ngayon and into the net. Net violation kontra sa Ayak on that attack.
Dito
So, 5-3,
makikita yung net violation, talagang gagalaw yung net.
Yun lang.
Yun. But then, you could see how these players nakaka-recover after each and every, let's say, mistake that they make.
Ronye Adviento, who's not in the lineup sa atin dito, in the service error, ang palayaw daw niya, B2. Kasi may kambal daw yan.
May kakambal siya.
B1.
Si B1, baka setter naman si B1, no?
Wala naman sa lineup, pero B2 daw yung kanyang palayaw.
Okay to. Bakit kaya? Anong meron?
Kasi yung pangalawang pinanganak sa kambal, ano? Buhay ka, Camposano. I send it now to Lelik. Lelik into the net.
He was so careful to hit that ball. No? He could have hit it. He could have hit that ball hard enough to go over the net. Yan yung sinasabi natin. If it's far from the net, hit it as hard as you can. May kukuha at kukuha niyan, papasok ang bola.
Howard Mojica. I once saw this guy score 40 points in a game.
In terms of service and spikes. Lahat.
Puntos ngayon para sa UE, courtesy of itong si Vince Abrot. So Noel Alba now to serve, UE down by 3. Tahimik eh. no?
Tahimik. UE down by 3, pero tignan natin.
Galing likod, Mojica.
Yes.
They send it now off the hands naman. Abrot will score.
That was a spike na talaga masabi puro diretso. It was a straight spike. So it's either it hits the back line player or the back line mismo.
Right. Kasi magdaong yung setter nila. In the meantime, Alba will serve again. UE down by only 2. Mojica with the reception. Pagtalunan now. Sending it over off the hands. And that will be a score para dito kay Keith Melisa. 8-5, Emilio Aguinaldo College kontra sa UE. Magbabalik po kami. Back at us here mga kaibigan, Ayak 8, UE 5. We send it now to the third member of our panel, Rina Villamor.
Yes, Noel, pag-usapan muna natin itong UE Red Warriors who had a winless campaign in the UAAP game. Sabi nga nila, they are a team full of hope and full of heart. They remain to be a never-say-die team. Kasi nga naman kahit natalo sila, nakasmile pa rin daw ang kanilang kupunan. Sabi ni Coach Ruel dito na mahihirapan sila against the Ayak team. But what's important for them is not to give this ball game in a silver platter para sa kupunan dito ng Ayak team. Para daw papahirapan daw nila at kailangan daw mas maging challenge ito para sa Ayak team. Now, 30% of the team is new. That's why he's looking forward to exposing these players. Kailangan daw matutunan nila yung tapag inside the court. One of the rookie players, Rovins Abrot, will also see action in today's game after recovering from his ACL surgery on his left knee. Ito kasing si Rovins ay high school player ng UE team. Noel and Jane?
Same thing goes with Composano and the rest of the other players na talagang lahat homegrown halos para dito sa UE. In the meantime, Magdaog tries to put that one down. Mojica. And that one is sent back by UE. Sa kabila naman, nice defense at the net. Long rally and a net violation will be called or crossing violation. Ang itatawag kontra dito kay Melisa.
Yes. Masyado siyang napapasok. No? Yung kanyang momentum towards spiking the ball is, going into the other side of the court.
Isa na lang po ang abante rito ng Emilio Aguinaldo College. And now serving itong si Vince Abrot. already recovering from an ACL injury. Batang-bata pa ito. In the meantime, Melissa able to score. Abrot is actually 16 years old.
Just imagine he's just fresh out of high school.
Oo. Nakita-kita nga natin sa kaliwang tuhod niya yung hiwa para sa kanyang ACL operation. In the meantime, Mikasa is the official ball of the Spikers turf.
But
Serving ngayon, Encina.
but he's very young, no, Noel, na magkaroon ng ACL.
Pero at least yan, mas mabilis na mag-recover. Titibay na yan.
Sa bagay.
Back set, Camposano now in front. Pero yung kanyang tira medyo napalakas. Yan, Camposano is only 19 years old.
Yes, and I think he's a sophomore or a junior.
Sophomore already, sophomore. At his first season in the UAAP noong nakaraan, where UE failed to register a single victory. Pero again, nowhere else but up para sa
Yes.
Red Warriors. 10-7 Ayak. Combination play. Ayan na si Camposano. Good defense there by Pagtalunan, the veteran. Camposano once again. Pagtalunan is there again. Third time around, Lelik. Hindi na niya naitawid yan. And look at Ayak celebrate
Imagine, 2 straight blocks.
from the center.
Yes, and that's Camposano.
Yan ang lethal weapon na UE. Diffused that time by John Pagtalunan. So ngayon ang serve para dito sa kanilang kapitan, si Israel Encina. Service ace for Encina.
What UE has to do right now is to, recuperate from one. First is to get that ball or receive that service. And then, of course, a good combination play.
Yeah, this is a very young team.
Hindi mo kailangan ng superpower dito. It's more of good or well-placed ball.
Gusto nyo malaman po kung sino yung pinakamatandang member dito ng UE team.
Sino kaya yun?
It is, ito si Alvin Aljas. Alvin Aljas was born on June 6, 1996. Yan na po yung pinakamatanda. And then meron pala si Clifford
Yes.
Inoferio.
And si
Born on
Alvin,
April 4, 1996.
grabe, no? Ang bata pa rin nila.
Grabe.
Ganun pa rin po yun.
12-8 Ayak. Pagtalunan. Good defense at the net that time by the center. Etong si Vincent Magdaug. So the lead is down to 3. Serve again para si Yui. This time galing from Sagin. And that one is off the touch.
There was a touch there, no? Sa block.
So si Melissa able to score.
Wala pang magandang combination play ang UE, no? It's because of the reception that they're having right now.
Right.
Erratic ang reception ni UE.
Alba, Camposano, sending it to Adviento. That one goes out. 5-point lead now for the Generals.
One good reception for the Generals or for UE para makaset up ng good play and then at least make a point out of it.
Let's see if they can get it on the serve nitong si Melissa. And they go to Camposano off the block.
Well, I haven't seen Camposano spike that ball over the block. It's more of he spikes it straight into the block. I mean, for a touch ball maybe.
Right. Ano mo sinaalala ko dito sa playing style niya?
Sino?
JP Torres.
Oh,
Diba?
yeah. Oo.
A very big open spiker.
Pero padadaanin niya sa kamay mo yung ball. At
Right. Alba with the left hand. 14-11 Ayak. Pumapalag po ang UE dito.
Pero kung if you would observe, Noel, every time they set the ball, let's say a quick set for UE, they don't really spike it. They will really go for a ball placement.
Now Camposano nasa likuran na ulit. Pagtalunan. Sending it to Mojica who will miss. Pero makita mo naman yung lundag ni Howard Mojica to set that one up, ha?
Pero kung tignan mo, yung blocker talagang open na open yung direction na yun ng bola ni
Mojica.
Mojica.
14-12. Some errors from Ayak. Nakakabalik na rin dito yung UE. Camposano again. Pagtalunan. Combination this time for Mojica and he will not miss that.
Yun naman sasabi natin na a good quicker really, tends to delay or sabihin mag-prank siya dun sa spike.
Yun.
Yun.
Ultra fast spike pa yan. Hatid sa atin ang PLDT Homoltera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family.
That's what's nice with Ayak eh. For every chance that they get to have a set play, they would do it. Talagang convert into a point sila.
Good serve there coming from Pagtalunan. Running attack is denied by Mojica. Lamang ng 4 ang Emilio Aguinaldo College heading into our second technical timeout of set number 1. We will be right back. 16-12, Emilio Aguinaldo College. Lamang po ng 4 kontra sa University of the East. First set pa rin po tayo dito. Good struggle being shown here by UE. Noel Alba on the push. Pagtalunan. And Mojica almost scoring again. Alba hindi nakadali.
What I've observed with the team of UE, every time the ball, goes, it's away from the net, they would hit it straight into the net.
Yun na nga eh.
Parang yung top spin spike ang very important. They should be trained to that one.
5 ang abante rito. That's a great serve by Pagtalunan. Galing sa likod, abroad. Laguna on the setup. Galing sa likod, Camposano tumapak sa linya. 6-point lead now for the Generals. Time out, University of the East.
Kailangan efficiency. Hindi basta sinet talo. Kailangan may diskarte ka pag sinet. Pagka ganun, inaalalayan mo kasi ginagawa mo, alam mo malayo. Sa kailangan mo, katamahan mo sa kamay, gamitin mo yung kamay. Okay, magka-diskartehan mo. Ito sa'yo nakasalala yun. Wala na ba yung story? Fast play tayo. Pag short ball, fast play tayo. Fast play tayo. Kasunod na sa
This is what I like about a team that is just learning
Yes.
the system talaga dito ni Coach Ruel Pascual. He's very patient with his boys.
Kasi kung tutusin, Noel, yung players that were already skilled na eh. It's a
Galing
matter
high
of
school,
gelling.
oo.
It's just a matter of gelling. Yun na lang yung importante for the team. For UE. For Ayak naman, because currently they're the NCAA
Oo.
champion. So, andun pa yung momentum eh.
Well,
Confident.
nag-adjust lang naman sila kay Pagtalunan eh.
Oo.
Sila rin yan eh.
Sila rin. Pero siyempre, setters are always a setter.
Right. And Pagtalunan with another good serve. Alba short again. 19-12.
Yeah, I think there was a miscommunication error on the part of from the setter and Alba, no? I think he was looking for a short or a low
Yun na nga
ball,
eh.
no? Fast low ball. Semi, kung tawagin natin yan.
Pagtalunan still serving and still doing well. Alba free ball. Chance now for Ayak. Mojica. Palitan ng tao dito para sa UE. Alvin Aljas seeing his first action of the game. And also ngayon si Josh Umandal. This is a big guy. Ito si Umandal. He's about 6'5".
The
Coming
big,
into the game. Hindi pala, mga 6'3".
mga 6'3", yes. Oo.
Coming into the game. Tallest player on the team. Over reception. Mojica. Pagtalunan. The push does not work there. Coming from Arias. Aljas. Malakas. Check ball.
Kitang-kita mo yung yung attempt niya dun sa bola na yun. Talaga ipapa-check ball niya with
Right.
such a short height, no? So, yun ang gagawin niya.
Aljas is only 19 years old lang naman.
19.
Uh,
And he's a guest player for the University of the East.
Here is Pagtalunan ngayon. Combination play. Mojica cannot be saved that time by Sawal. 21-13. Palitan ng tao dito. As Barbuco will see his first action of the game. So Aljon Barbuco into serve.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat sa PLDT Homoltera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Combination abroad, yes. So 21-14, yeah.
Oh, that is what UE is expecting, no? A good spike to break the momentum of Ayak.
And narinig natin sa uling timeout nila. Receive.
Oh,
Yan ang kailangan nila rito.
totoo yun.
Azumandal serves. Pagtalunan, Mojica, and that scores again. The best time to attack Zone 6 is pag wala yung libero.
Yes, totoo yun. Pero, kumbaga, kahit wala yung libero, the back player should also adjust with each other.
Kasi usually, weakest line of defense mo dun sa likuran is the center.
Yes.
Pag nag-serve yung center.
Oo, totoo yun.
Mojica malakas. 22-15.
But this is just 7-point lead for AYAC, and UE still has to come up with a good combination
Yun
play.
lang.
And of course, service.
Alvin Aljas ngayon to serve. Good one. Pagtalunan, sa kabila ay pinapunta. And an easy dump in, and we have a player down from UE. That is their setter to si Magdaong.
Yeah, somebody was on his,
Yes.
on his path.
It was Daguna who actually, Daguna, who's able to put it down para sa AYAC. And another timeout para sa UE.
Problema. Kung umi-score sila, bumababa yung bola. Pangalawa, nagiging problema. Pag transition ball, hindi kayo magkasundo sa play. Ano ba talaga? Di ba instruction, pag loose ball, bitawan yung play, basta wag bitaw yung play. Di ba, loose ball, yung tayo nung ginagawa yung play, loose ball naman. Di ba? So, defensive naman yung play. Pag nag-transition tayo, kailangan
Napalo ka tuloy, Wawa.
Oo, kasi sasagot pa sana eh. Just listen to the coach. He knows
That's
it. Oo.
Palitan na tayo para dito sa AYAC. Silo will see his first action. This is Bubut Silo who will come in to serve. So ito si Coach Palmero trying to get as many of his players involved habang nananalo pa sila rito.
Oo, at saka yung lead nila, it's an 8-point lead.
Right. 2 points away from the first set. Camposano, drop ball. Pagtalunan, Mojica. Turned back there by Lelik. Sa kabila naman, off the block. That will score for Kurt Melliza.
I mean, looking into the team of UE, they're at the right time. Yun lang yung, hindi ko I cannot just imagine na, how can they get that ball? Na cannot get the ball from block to spike.
Pero ngayon, Sham na set point.
Yes.
What a serve there coming from Silo. Free ball tuloy ang ibigay dito na UE. Pagtalunan. And going the other way is the captain, Israel Encina. Tinapos na yung first set in favor of the Generals, 25-15. Ang naging score natin doon as we take a look at some of the highlights from that recently concluded first set. A lot of power shots mula po dito sa Emilio Aguinaldo College. Howard Mojica, pang-poster yung kanyang tira doon. We will have the second set when we return.